Are you dreaming of becoming a millionaire? You know, that feeling of financial freedom, being able to retire early, travel the world, buy your dream car, maybe even your dream house, without ever having to worry about money again? Well, you're not alone. Millions of people around the world share that same dream. And the truth is, it's totally achievable. It's not about getting lucky or winning the lottery. It's about having the right mindset, the right strategies, and the right investments working for you. Today, we're diving deep into 5 powerful investment ideas that could turn that millionaire dream into your reality. These aren't some get-rich-quick schemes, okay? These are proven strategies that have helped countless people build serious wealth over time. And with the right approach, the right dedication, they could do the same for you. So, if you're ready to unlock your financial potential and start building that millionaire life, buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get started. First up, we're tackling the stock market. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Graham, the stock market? Isn't that risky? And yeah, every investment has some risk. But listen, investing in stocks is like owning a piece of some of the biggest, most successful companies on the planet. You become a part owner. You're along for the ride as these companies grow and their value increases. The key here, and this is important, is to think long-term. Don't go chasing those quick pump-and-dump schemes you see all over social media. That's a recipe for disaster. Instead, focus on companies with strong fundamentals. What does that mean? Look for companies with consistent earnings, a solid track record of growth, and a bright future ahead. Think about companies like Apple, Amazon, Tesla. These are the innovators, the disruptors, the companies shaping our future. But hold on, don't put all your eggs in one basket, even if it's an Amazon-sized basket. Diversifying your portfolio is crucial. This means spreading your investments across different industries, different asset classes to reduce your risk. And a great way to do that is with index funds or ETFs. Take the S&P 500, for example. This index tracks the performance of 500 of the largest publicly traded U.S. companies, giving you a broad exposure to the market. And historically, the S&P 500 has returned about 10% annually over the long term. That's the power of compounding working its magic. Over time, even small investments can grow exponentially. Remember, the stock market is like a roller coaster. There will be ups and downs, but if you stay focused on the long game, tune out the noise, and keep investing consistently, you'll be amazed at the wealth you can build. Next up, let's talk about real estate. Now, real estate has been a proven wealth-building tool for centuries. I mean, they're not making any more land, right? And whether it's buying rental properties for that sweet, sweet passive income, flipping houses for a quick profit, or investing in commercial real estate, there are so many paths to success in this game. But for me, rental properties are where it's at. Why? Because rental properties offer this incredible combination of monthly cash flow and long-term appreciation. You're essentially building a portfolio of assets that generate income month after month like clockwork. Plus, you get to be your own boss. You have control over your investments, and you can leverage other people's money, like bank loans, to amplify your returns. Imagine this. You own multiple properties, each one generating passive income every single month. That's the power of real estate, my friends. And the best part? Real estate is a tangible asset. It's something you can see, you can touch, you can drive by and say, yeah, that one's mine. Now, real estate does require some work, some due diligence. You need to research the market, find the right properties, and manage your tenants. But trust me, the rewards are well worth the effort. Chapter 3. Be your own boss. The power of entrepreneurship. Now let's talk about starting or investing in a business. This is where things get really exciting, because entrepreneurship, my friends, is one of the fastest ways to accumulate serious wealth. When you own a business, you're in the driver's seat. You control your destiny, your income potential is limitless. But I get it. Starting a business from scratch can be intimidating. It takes guts, it takes hard work, and it's not for everyone. But if you have a killer idea, a passion for something, and the drive to make it happen, the rewards can be life-changing. Just think about companies like Uber or Airbnb. They started small, they solved a real problem, and now they're worth billions. Now, if you're not ready to dive headfirst into the entrepreneurial world, that's okay. There are other ways to get in on the action. You could become an angel investor, funding promising startups in their early stages. Or you could buy into a franchise, tapping into an established brand and business model. The key here is to find businesses that are scalable, that solve real problems, and have a large potential market. And remember, investing in businesses always carries risk, but with great risk comes the potential for great reward. Chapter 4. Cryptocurrency, Navigating the Digital Gold Rush. Now let's dive into the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. This is the wild west of investing, a high-risk, high-reward frontier that has the potential to create millionaires overnight. But it's not for the faint of heart. Bitcoin, Ethereum, these digital assets have exploded in value in recent years. And while the market can be volatile, the underlying technology is here to stay. Blockchain technology is revolutionizing the way we think about money, about finance, about the internet itself. But here's the thing, cryptocurrency is still in its early stages. It's like the internet in the 90s. Nobody knew for sure what it would become, but those who saw the potential early on, those who took the risk, were rewarded handsomely. Now, I'm not saying you should go all in on Bitcoin tomorrow, but I am saying that you should educate yourself about this space. Learn about blockchain technology, understand the risks and the potential rewards, and decide for yourself if it's right for you. Remember, with great risk comes great reward, or sometimes great loss. So only invest what you can afford to lose, do your research, and never invest based on hype or emotion. Chapter 5. The ultimate investment, investing in yourself. Now, for the most important investment of all, investing in yourself. This is the one investment that has guaranteed returns, no matter what the market does. Because when you invest in yourself, you're investing in your future earning potential. You're investing in your ability to create wealth, to seize opportunities, and to live a more fulfilling life. So, how do you invest in yourself? Well, it starts with education. Never stop learning, never stop growing. Read books, take courses, attend seminars, learn new skills. The more you know, the more valuable you become. But it's not just about formal education. It's about developing your skills, your mindset, your network. Find mentors, surround yourself with successful people, and learn from the best. Attend industry events, network with other professionals, and build relationships that can open doors to new opportunities. Remember, your network is your net worth. The people you surround yourself with have a huge impact on your success. So be intentional about who you spend your time with, and seek out relationships that challenge you, inspire you, and help you grow. And there you have it. 5 powerful investment ideas to help you on your journey to becoming a millionaire. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. The key is to find what resonates with you, what aligns with your risk tolerance, and what gets you fired up. Once you've found your path, stay disciplined, stay consistent, and be patient. Wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, it takes effort, but the rewards are absolutely worth it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more wealth building tips. And remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is today. Here's to your financial success.